Hey family, it's Herbalist Viola. I'm just going to do a quick video on your kidneys. I know subscribers want to know, how do you know if they got issues with your kidneys? Look, if you got pain in your back, especially like your midsection, and if you're not drinking a lot of water, you could have issues. But I'm just going to read you some signs and symptoms of issues with your kidneys. I'm just going to just do it real quick. Some signs and symptoms of your feet. Let me read it. Swollen ankles and feet, increased urination, blood in your urine, fatigue, lack of focus, muscle cramps, insomnia, puffy eyes, itchy skin, and loss of appetite. And there's others. There's others. That's just a few. That's just a few. And let me tell you about what your kidney does. Yeah, I know your kidney, if your kidney clogged, it ain't good. But let me tell you, your kidneys, your kidneys remove waste and extra fluids from your body. Your kidneys also remove acid that is produced by the cells of your body and maintain healthy balance of water, salts, minerals such as sodium, calcium, phosphorus, potassium in your blood. So your kidneys pretty much just filters just like your liver. When you do a liver cleanse, sometimes you be doing a kidney cleanse. It depends on who made the product, but you want to do a kidney and liver cleanse at the same time. Sometimes, see, a lot of things that we do wrong. We drink too much coffee. A lot of us drink way too much coffee. Y'all don't understand that coffee puts stress on your kidneys. So just limit, like less than 3 cups. And look, when we talk about a cup of coffee, we're talking about 8 ounces, sometimes four, like 4 to 8 ounces. Some of y'all be drinking 32 and big cups of coffee. No, that's too much coffee at one sitting. That's too much coffee. But it's smaller. A cup of Joe's just 4 to 8 ounces. Not even really 8. I would go 6. But some people are having like 50 ounces of coffee. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. You shouldn't have too much. You shouldn't have that much coffee. So just know coffee puts stress on your kidneys. And think about the ones that's not just the plain cup of Joe, not that plain muddy black stuff. Yeah, drinking other stuff. So you got to be careful what you're drinking. Latte and all that, still coffee with an extra kick. Yeah, know y'all turn it up. Yeah, turn it up. And with turn up, people drinking too much alcohol. Sometimes, look, what you don't understand, too much alcohol affects your body and its ability to filter the blood. So lay off on the alcohol. Like, I'd be like a shot a day. I wouldn't even say a shot a day. How about twice a week? No alcohol at all, unless you're taking some kind of medicine that has a little bit of alcohol in there. Then, look, some of y'all are taking, I know, Viola, stick to the subject. Some of y'all are taking medicine with alcohol in there and then taking shots too. That's too much. It's too much. Remember, Dr. Sebi is like no alcohol at all. But with these new issues, look, these new issues, you need a little kick of alcohol with some herbs, because it pulls out more of the strength of the herb and make it stronger to combat some of them issues you guys having. Another thing is water. Water flushes the toxins out your body. It just goes in there and help filters, because a lot of us, our kidneys are at 20%, 30%, 60%. I may put a slide up so you know the effects of your liver. Effects of your kidneys. Yeah. A lot of our kidneys, some people just have one kidney. Y'all got to take care of your kidneys. And I just want to say this real quick. So when you're drinking water, so we talk about water. When you're drinking water, please, whatever you do, if you're taking, like an herbal supplement, don't go try to take 12 ounces of water. No. You just need 4 to 6, 8 ounces of water, because you want the herbs to get in the body and give you nutrients and go in there and work. You don't want to be taking the herbs, take 4 to 6, or taking over 8 ounces, 12 to 24. Some people taking 40 and 50 ounces of water, and it's just flushing out. And you're like, why the herbs ain't work? You don't you don't flush them out your body. So make sure you're taking adequate amounts of water. Because it's important to take adequate amounts of water. Some of us, we just drink way too much water. And drinking cold water, yeah, that's why you get brain freeze. We don't supposed to be drinking cold anything. No. We drink something cold, all that blood cold rushing to me like, let me warm it up. All the heat be like, wait a minute, yeah, it's trying to warm it up. And look, don't drink while you're eating. Don't drink while you're eating. I know you didn't want to hear that, but don't drink while you're eating. But we supposed to be talking about the kids. Let's keep talking about the kids. Another thing problems we do, we hold our urine too long. If you gotta go, please just go. And I know I talked about this before. I just want to touch bases because a subscriber asked about it. I said, let me just talk about the kidneys again. We're gonna talk about the kidneys again. Please don't hold your urine. Constant holding your urine give you kidney stones. And y'all know them stones are no joke. It's just like pushing on a baby. So if y'all want stones, ease back. Ease back. If you gotta go, don't hold it. Go. Please don't hold your urine. Please. You don't want them stones. And you might want to take my tea. I know I got my tea for the stones. That's the main reason why I offer Chunga Piedra. I just make sure I offer it because a lot of us have problems with our stones. I mean, our bodies, our kidneys, our gallbladder. Stone breaker. I just make sure this is the only tea I offer. The only tea I offer, Chunga Piedra. We don't understand how our bodies, we take in all this in a toxic environment. Do you know it kind of stays in your kidneys? A lot of people don't realize that. A lot of our environment, our body takes stuff in and it stays in there instead of, we do a cleanse and do a detox and do a fast. You'll clean your kidneys. A lot of people, kidneys are clogged, just like I was talking about your liver. We have our kidneys working at 20-30%. Some people kidneys working at 2%. So that Chunga Piedra can't even say it. It helps clear it out and get those stones to just come out. So you just got to make sure you're not holding your urine. Stop holding your urine. So I just want to make sure I put that out. As about us with this with these kidneys. All right, I always want you to poop. But you need the urine too, and get you some dandelion. Dandelion tea help you. It's a diuretic. It help you go to the bathroom. It's a lot of, we have a lot of herbs that's diuretics and help you go. Chunga Piedra, diuretic, help you urine. Because you do not want to hold your urine because it leads to kidney stones. Let me just put it that way. It leads to kidney stones. And another was excess sugar. I know y'all want to hear this excess sugar. It just makes sure your kidneys work bad. So some of the things that you guys can use, just look at the slide. Some things you're going to use, garlic, turmeric. I'm always talking about. Y'all go back and look at my other videos. Turmeric, garlic, and ginger. Remember I talking about them ginger shots? All right, get them kidneys right. Get them kidneys right. Other things you guys can use. But like I already said, dandelion, cranberry. You can also use parsley and you can use celery. A lot of people are like, I don't like celery juice. Look, we talking about them kidneys. Y'all already see all them kidney dialysis clinics popping up. All right. All them clinics are popping up for a reason. Look, y'all guys, make sure y'all go into your physician because look, I gotta put that disclaimer out. I'm gonna tell you about the herbs and get down to the root cause. The root cause. I ain't worried about them signs and symptoms. My thing is, what's the root cause? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you willing to stop eating some of the cardboard? Y'all know sometimes, look, I'm trying to find some cardboard. Y'all know there's paper. Look, there's some paper in our food. Paper, plastic in our food, roach spray. We eating it. Then we worry about what we smelling over our heads, what we absorbing with the chemicals we put on our bodies. That's why if you go on HK Network, I'm telling y'all about essential oils. I'm telling you about essential oils, little things that you can do for the kids and for yourself. Start them up right with the essential oils. But then you can, do the same thing for yourself. You do the same thing for yourself because we want to make sure that what we put in our body is coming out and healthy, because so when we eat plastic, how you getting that plastic out? How you getting that plastic out if you ain't detoxing, fasting, and cleansing? Well, how you getting it out? How it's gonna stay in your kidneys? What it's gonna do? Then you wonder why you hurting and you getting all these masks. You be like, what's that mask? And they're going and says, we can't figure it out. How you get that plastic? How you get that cardboard and that paper and where them toxins are coming from? Like, how did I get raid? Where are these chemicals? You be like, all right. That's why I keep talking about, cleansing, detoxing, and fasting. So Please rewatch the video again. Rewatch the video again because I want you better. I want you better. I want you guys with no kidney issues. I don't want you going to those dialysis machines. I don't want you going to them clinics. No, I don't. I want you exercising, getting some sun, breathing air, and running, walking, whatever you can do. I just want you moving. Don't want you to be a couch potato. Sometimes we watch your TV. Do some exercises while you watch your TV. How about this? During the movie, get up and walk, and during the commercial, sit down. How about that? We can do that. We can do that, family. We can do that. Just want to throw the video out real quick because a subscriber. I just want to make sure I answer the subscriber questions. Video tell you about your kidneys. Let's get them kidneys tight. All right. Herbalist Viola, y'all. Take that tea. Go ahead and take that tea. Bye, family.